Hello guys, Roger here from GadgetMunch.com. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're taking a look at these water dancing speakers from RED5, the ultimate gadget shop. These are great fun, these little speakers, and they will certainly brighten up your office or your desk or even your children's room. So take a look at our short video and see what you think. So there we have it guys, they are the water dancing speakers from RED5, the ultimate gadget shop. A little bit of information about the speakers then. You can plug into anything using a 3.5mm headphone jack. Also comes with the power adapter, and I believe you can also power these from your PC as well with the included USB cable. There are 4 coloured LEDs in each speaker, and also each speaker is 3 watts, so a total of 6 watts altogether. Please check out our website guys, GadgetMunch.com, and perhaps subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.